Malas are a meditation tool to cultivate and manifest intentions, also known as a Japa Meditation. Beads, crystals, or gemstones are used to transmit vibrations to the universe and intensify your desires into reality. To begin, create an intention to identify what you want to attract in your life. Writing in a journal may help the process, and some questions to think about may be, if I could have anything I desire, what would it be? Is there a characteristic of someone I admire that I would like to have? Is there something holding me back that I can eliminate or turn into a strength? Take your time to choose your intention that you want to embed into your mala. Wearing your mala may help you to choose your intention. In some cultures, they will wear their mala up to 40 days. Some beads, crystals, and stones are suited for certain types of desires. The item descriptions may be helpful in choosing a mala. Create a word, small phrase, or sound from your intention that will become your mantra. As you repeat it in your meditation, your mind will release the energy of the intention into the universe. You can meditate anywhere, but a peaceful, quiet location without distractions is ideal. Sit comfortably holding your mala in one hand. Rest the mala on your middle finger with the tassel and guru bead facing towards you. Chant your mantra out loud or to yourself, and draw the mala towards you using your thumb. Repeat until you have arrived at the last bead before the guru bead. Take some time to reflect. If you would like to continue your meditation, it is important that you do not pass the guru bead. Instead, flip the mala and return to where you began. I hope you use this meditation tool frequently and that your intention becomes a reality. Thanks for watching. I hope you found some peace and love. We'd appreciate it if you subscribe and hit that like button. May your thoughts be filled with compassion. May your words be filled with kindness. And may your heart be filled with love. Namaste.